Welcome back to Mqlrobot EAS, the home for traders who build smarter Forex bots without writing a single line of code. In this video, we're diving into the working logic of the FVG MTG Scalping EA, built entirely in FXDreema. This expert advisor is designed to detect and trade around fair value gaps, also known as FVG, while incorporating candlestick engulfing patterns and grid-based money management. Let's break down how it works. First, the EA begins by identifying a potential fair value gap using price structure and a bull or bear candle confirmation. Once a valid FVG signal appears, the EA draws FVG lines on the chart and waits for a follow-up candle confirmation. The setup then triggers a buy or sell order if the price re-enters the FVG zone, combined with a matching engulfing candle. To improve entry accuracy, the EA supports multiple signal validations, including candle body size, grid price distance, price comparisons with open levels, and optional cut-loss conditions using percentage-based equity drawdown. The EA includes order management logic such as grid trade stacking if enabled, optional lot sizing based on signals, real-time closing of orders if a defined cut-loss threshold is hit, and object cleanup to remove FVG zones when no longer relevant. We also added blocks to count trade entries, modify variables, and reset logic after closing trades, ensuring clean and efficient execution. Before using this EA live, it's essential to understand the trading strategy, the risks, and always conduct a 99.9% tick data backtest using your broker's historical feed. We encourage you to explore and modify this build inside FXDreema to suit your own style or market conditions. You can also download or view the full EA structure and project blueprint using the link in the description below. Stay tuned for more strategy builds and logic breakdowns here on Mqlrobot EAS. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share if you find this project helpful. Happy trading, and see you in the next video.